Changing your username on Instacart is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully update your username. Step 1. Open the Instacart app. Launch the Instacart app on your mobile device or visit the Instacart website on your computer. Step 2. Sign into your account. Enter your login credentials to access your Instacart account. Make sure you are logged into the account for which you want to change the username. Step 3. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings. This is usually found in a menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon in the top corner of the app or website. Step 4. Select username option. In the account settings menu, look for the option to change your username. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Step 5. Enter new username. Type in your desired new username. Ensure it meets any specified requirements such as character limits or restrictions, and then save your changes. After completing these steps, your username on Instacart will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Instacart's customer support for assistance.